Hello and greetings from DJ Tunde. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Google Pixel Fold. It's the very first foray of Google into the foldable phones, the new foldable phones. And the foldable phones are a cross between a telephone or a cell phone and a tablet, right? Because of the things that we're consuming nowadays. So it's going to be very, very fun to see and test this. Previously, I used the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, I believe that's what it's called. The only reason why I didn't like it was because it was just too long. And Google came out with a different different format, so we'll find out today. So this just arrived like about 5 minutes ago via UPS. Very nicely packaged, as you can see. And oh wow, right. Very well packaged box, nicely designed. And here it is, the Google Pixel Fold. And I hate to tell you how much this thing cost me. And I think I went for the extra 512 gigs memory. And I think it's like almost $2,000. So here we are. Let's see if it's worth all the hype. All right, let's see. Come on, come on, come on. Open. Open sesame. Let's see. All right. Here it is. Nice design. It says Tin Pixel. And I'm gently taking it out. Oh wow, this guy is heavy. Boy. So taking it out. And voila. Woof. Boy, oh boy. So the first thing that strikes me right away is how big it is. I mean, in terms of the width, how wide it is. It's not as tall as the Samsung Z Fold 4, which is actually supposed to compete with the newest Samsung, which is the Z Fold 5. So let's see what else is in here. This is my old Pixel 4a. I really love this phone. See how nice and compact and small it holds compared with this guy that is stretching all my hand. Oh boy, we'll see. So let's see what else is in the box. Look at that, is a cable. There's some stuff. I'm just curious what they put in here. Oh yeah. Alright, so here, so they've got an adapter, a USB adapter to USB-C, and I'm sure the instructions are here, which I will never read. And this is probably what I need the most, the USB-C cable, which will allow me to transfer the data from my current phone to this phone. So once again, here it is, and it's a phone that folds. So let's turn it on. Uh-oh. All right, so The power buttons right there. Ooh. And it says Google. I'm not sure if you can see it. It says Google Android. This is beautiful and bright. Wow, you can just see. Beautiful, nice and bright. So let's see. It's starting, it's thinking. Wow, and it says welcome to Google Pixel. For English, same thing. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and configure this and transfer all my stuff from my old phone, which I'm using to record this. I'm going to transfer everything from that phone to this new phone. Once again, this is DJ Tunde. Thank you.